Hi guys, and welcome to
HitchUpAndTow. Today, which probably isn't today when you watch it, but it was today when we made it.
It was today.
We got a parcel.
Can't show the front or the back because it's got addresses on.
Yeah.
But we did get a parcel from the postie.
Yep, all the way from America.
Yay!
Yeah.
Our first parcel from America.
Isn't it? Well, I've had stickers from America. Our first
Proper parcel.
First parcel from America. It's actually from, because it says so on the label,
Bob and Debbie from
BluWave Odyssey.
Thank you to you too.
And Blue Sky Odyssey.
And Blue Sky Odyssey, yeah.
Bob and Debbie have got an RV channel. They were doing a weekly thing earlier on in the year as like getting to know people and building up.
Getting to know you, getting to know all about you.
You finished?
Mm-hmm.
And that's where we met them.
Yeah.
But they've got a brilliant channel. I think their last video was Apple Valley
Hillbilly Garden something.
Thailand something. I would explain what it was about, but I still don't know. So,
No, but it's worth a watch.
yeah, pop over and have a look, and maybe you'll be able to explain to me what it was about. We'll put a link in the description below of their channel, and I'll put a picture up of their channel about here somewhere. All right. Probably over our faces, I don't know.
Probably.
So you know where to go.
Can we get in the box now? I'm excited.
I come prepared.
Oh.
There we go. You do the honours.
Okay.
Do.
Oh, can't get in.
Can't you?
No.
Oh.
Oh, there we go.
No
It would
worries.
have been better with scissors, I think.
Scissors.
Scissors. I can't get in.
Do you want me to do it? Oh, you're getting there.
I'm getting there. You just got to push him firmly.
Fast forward through this part.
This is exciting.
What it is, because I'm not 100% sure what it is.
Oh,
Oh, that's it. You're getting it. It's like Christmas. Oh, is this a Christmas present?
I don't know.
Should we open it now, or should we wait till
Still
Christmas?
can't get in the box.
There you
it
go.
is. Ooh. Thank you.
Thank you very
Ooh,
much.
Flippin' heck.
Oh, what
Okay,
else?
first things first. A lovely card.
This is actually where they live in Naples, Florida.
Yeah,
Lovely place.
look at that. I want to go. Hello, Mark and Carol. There you go. Some Twinkies from across the pond. Enjoy next time you have a late night. Junk food craving, lol. Our best Bob and Debbie BluWave Odyssey. Throw in a couple of bottle openers for you, Mark. Aren't they cute?
Got BluWave bottle openers.
BluWave bottle openers.
They're good, aren't they?
You can keep one of them on the table constantly.
I'll keep it on my belt.
Well, you're always sitting here drinking, so. Oh,
Thank
thanks,
you very
guys.
much.
Can you see that? Thank you. And wow!
A box. I think you need to try one.
A box of Twinkies.
Are they different ones?
Oh,
Oh, no,
yeah.
or
They,
they just-
they
I don't
sell
know.
different ones.
I don't know.
Okay.
I think you need,
10 Twinkies.
I think you need to try one.
Oh, I've got to try one of these.
Do you think that'll ruin your diet?
Oh, I don't care. I've got to try one. I'll just have a bite.
We share one,
Yeah, we'll share one until Wednesday.
and then you eat a lot.
Well, you might not like them, but I will give them again.
What they look like? Oh, they're just
There
like
we
sponge.
are. Twinkie. And let's see. Oh, come on.
Well packaged.
So we're gonna cut this in half.
Yeah, I know what your halves are like. That's not half.
That's my half. See, that's how you do a half, isn't it?
I think it.
I'm on a diet. Right, you ready? You're gonna,
Oh,
come on,
you
you're gonna
try
bite
it.
it. Mmm. Mmm. I like Twinkies.
you?
Mmm.
Honest.
No one else I think's gonna like Twinkies.
I think I know who's going to like Twinkies.
Our daughter, Lauren.
Just try one then.
Mmm. Mmm. Lovely with a cup of tea. Mmm.
Mmm.
Thank you, Bob and Debbie. I can now say I've had a Twinkie.
You have?
I really like them.
Actually, not as sweet as I thought they were going to be. I've heard of a lot of.
I think they're quite sweet, but then I haven't had anything sweet for a long time.
Yeah, they are sweet, but I didn't think. I thought they would might be like over sweet, like some stuff is. But yeah, that's actually not bad.
Well, I've got to say, I like your Twinkies. Thank you very much.
I'd like to see how many's left after Wednesday.
Well, I shouldn't really be eating sweet stuff, but
It's Christmas.
I really do like them. And I was going to say, they go off January the 8th, 2021. So I've got to fit them in somehow.
Do they go off? I didn't think they had a date on them.
Well, I don't know, it's just a date, I don't know.
Huh?
But that means I've got to be eating.
Yeah.
But I am absolutely over the moon. Thank you so much to you both for thinking of us. Another Twinkie. I wonder what's next.
You're pushing your luck there. But I've got to say thank you very much for Bob and Debbie at BluWave for our Twinkies and our Boss
I know,
Awakens.
yeah. And for the card. It's lovely to see where you come from and where about you are.
Yeah, we're not jealous at all.
Of course not.
No,
But, do you know,
we'd miss the grey sky, wouldn't we, if we were there?
we sure would.
Yeah, and the rain.
Yeah. I reckon our caravan would fit lovely underneath that tree.
Possibly.
With my box of Twinkies.
Yeah. I don't think you'd fit underneath that tree with a box of Twinkies.
What are you trying to say?
I'm just saying you'd start eating all of them. I know what you're like.
I do like a bit of cake and sweets and stuff, I must say. So thank you to you guys.
Yeah, and if anyone hasn't seen BluWave's channel, please pop over and give them a look. And
Yeah.
if you like it, hit the subscribe button because they are well worth a look.
BluWave Odyssey and Blue Sky Odyssey. Bob and Debbie.
Yeah. So thanks a lot.
And thank you for watching and thank you for my Twinkies.
Bye.
Bye.